Okay, ang ifa-factor out naman natin for today ay general trinomials. So, dapat ang given sa inyo ay 3 terms. So, kagaya nung given natin. Tapos, ang pinagkaiba po niya dun sa PST or perfect square trinomial ay yung first or yung last term ay walang o hindi perfect square. So, tingnan natin. Si x squared, perfect square yan. Kasi ang exponent niya ay multiple ni 2. Pero kung titingnan nyo si last term, wala siyang square root. Kaya iba yung process na gagawin natin. So ito, tinatawag na to na general trinomial. Okay, so unang step na gagawin, maglagay ng pairs of parentheses. Tapos po, we get the factors. Factors po pinag-uusapan na. Ang factors po ng x squared ay x times x. So, napakadali lang. Pag binag-multiply mo kasi ang x and x, you will add the exponent. So, 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Okay? Now, look at the last term. Your last term is 15, positive 15. So, kung positive 15 yan, you will look for factors of positive 15 na kapag inad ay negative 8. Bakit negative 8? Kasi yun yung nasa gitna. So, ililist down lang natin muna ha. So, what will be the factors of positive 15? So, una, pwedeng 1 times 15. Another set, pwedeng negative 1 times negative 15. Kasi negative times negative is positive. Another pair of factors po, pwedeng 3 times 5. Pwede rin namang negative 3 times negative 5. Now, alin po dito, kung ito na po lahat yon, alin po dito ang kapag inad ay negative 8? So, let us try to add each pair. Let us try to add each pair. If you're going to add 1 and 15, that will be positive 16. So, siya po ba yung middle term? Hindi. Now, negative 1 plus negative 15, if you're adding both negative, you copy the sign and then you just simply add the two numbers. So, we have negative 16. Next, 3 plus 5. That will be positive 8. Siya ba yung middle term? No, kasi dapat negative 8. Now, let's look. Negative 3 plus negative 5. So, both negative, so you copy the sign, and then you add 3 and 5, so that will be 8. Now, lumabas na si negative 8, which is yun yung target natin. So, kung ano yung factors dyan, you take the sign. So, you have negative 3, and then negative 5. So, pwede pong mauna si x minus 5, then x minus 3 yun nandito. So, ito yung magiging factors ng ating general trinomial. I'll give you another example. Na kung saan, negative naman yung last term. So, let us have x squared minus 2x minus 15. So, general trinomial po ito kasi kung mapapansin nyo ulit, si 15 ay hindi naman perfect square. So, again, you put pairs of parentheses. Then, this time, negative na yung last term. So, in order for you to get factors of negative 15, dapat po magkaiba sila ng signs. Isang positive, isang negative. So, pwedeng positive 1, tapos si 15 yung negative. Pwedeng baliktad, pwedeng si 1 yung negative, tapos si 15 yung positive. Next, 3, then negative 5. Tapos, pwedeng negative 3, tapos positive naman yung 5. Now, let us try to add each. Ang target natin, dapat yung sum nila ay negative 2. So, let's see. So, sulat pa lang muna natin yung factors ni x squared, which are x and x. Now, let's add 1 and negative 15. When we are adding different signs, ima-minus natin sila. So, 15 minus 1, that will be 14. Tapos, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, negative. Siya ba yung middle term? No. Now, again, we are adding different signs, so we have to subtract 15 minus 1, that will be 14. But this time, positive na siya kasi positive yung mas malaki. Now, 3 plus negative 5, we have different signs. So, we have to subtract 5 minus 3, that will be 2. Take the sign of the bigger number, that's negative 2. For the last part, we have different signs. So, 5 minus 3, that will be 2. Pero to ay positive 2 na kasi positive yung 5 natin. So, as you can see, you have here negative 2. So, ito siya. So, kunin natin yung signs nito. Your 3 here is positive. So, positive 3. Then, your 5 here is negative. So, we have minus 5. Pwede pong mauna si x minus 5, then x plus 3. So, ito po yung factors natin.